Zane 98.
Kumele uyiyeke manje. Yes sir. Sheba mo. Everybody sheba mo.
Ithe ngemuva
Eh.
mfethu.
Yona ilo yakhona.
Yini leyo?
Ethi ufaka ivoice over ngemuva.
Hayi TikTok lo mina ngishaya YouTube.
Alright.
Uyawayibona voice over wena ku YouTube.
uGoodwell ushaya yona ivoice over ku YouTube.
Yengakho angaduma.
uGoodwell
Ku-YouTube.
is the best vlogger.
Yeah ku TikTok.
Even on YouTube. You can
Aye.
even go on YouTube.
And
His number is doing the most.
Bruce, yamazi Bruce.
Bruce, your favorite Bruce.
And it's chopping on the choke or somebody gotta do.
Oh.
Yeah, you have your favorite gossip boy.
Bruce,
Island
Bruce boy. Lo ku-Twitch boy. Umo ku-Twitch.
Bruce.
Yeah.
Akastream phela Bruce.
Scream. Boy, ngishaya pause man.
Hayi.
Ngicela
Khuluma le nto.
contemplation.
Oh! Ya. Ay, 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 ay. Ah! Ay! Ah! Yakhula uyanda lo mkhuba wamadoda. Ha! Ha! Ungizwe. Uyikhatha nongizwe.
Funa ngibe aphula boy.
Ungizwe.
Ungizwa. Alright, I know. Khot man ngizwa. Ngizwe. Whatever makes you come back at night macingwane. Just know ukuthi mina phela angisiyo i-watch my card.
Hey, ngipolisele babamacingwane nkosami.
Akakwazi
Akakwazi ngabe yakwazi ngabe akayikhulumi le nto ayikhuluma. Awumfana nje wonke ngikhulela eGoli. Manje unale ngqondo yaseGoli. Ngixolisela babamacingwane. Ithi lokho akushiya.
Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu kuloko akushilo ngiyavumelana nakho. Amen.
Good. Ngithanda ngoba uyahlonipha lo mfana yena uyaya kodwa unakho
lo.
Ngithi help mhlawumbe. Wesheni le match ayikaqali madoda.
Pass 6.
U6 phela manje.
Pass.
Why is going past it? Ngoba mina ngibona
Ikuthe ngo6 nami ngikwazi ukuthi ngo6.
Ngo-pass.
Ish amajeta yo
Ngifuna sibikele la flag.
okay. Yo, hey yo.
Yo, what it do, niggas?
What's up?
You good? Fuck your bitch on.
So ufuna manje language. Kuba uthi
Barrier. Language barrier. Boy, mina content ngifuna siyenze la before.
akahlupha lo.
Negoli. Uzenze eThekwini. Ishu. Izinja ibona ngombala. Riteng mama.
Hawu sengibona amabhilidi ngihleli waveza amabhilidi. Amayaka. Angithengisa. Yabona amabhilidi usankosi kudeleli. Kabi. Hayi, wamthiwa mosindini imteje.
Sabi camera. Ngubani? Kumele uyiyeke manje. Under the tunnel. Yebo. Make sure you subscribe again, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Whatever happens, just Noma yini.
When I close my eyes, it's like I'm gonna see you smile. When I close my eyes on a bed, it's like I'm gonna see you walk. When I close my eyes, it's like I'm gonna see you smile. When I close my eyes on a bed, it's like I'm gonna see you walk. Lucky, 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 like I'm gonna see you smile. Lucky, 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 it's like I'm gonna see you walk. Lucky, 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 like I'm gonna see you smile. Lucky, 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 it's like I'm gonna see you walk. You're the most beautiful girl, you're the one in the whole world. As I'm right here with you, babe, tell me what you see in my eyes. You're the most beautiful girl, you're the one in the whole world. As I'm right here with you, babe, tell me what you see in my eyes. I'm gonna catch your feelings, alright. If you do catch mine, it's alright. It's alright.
Yeah, Suvala.
Ama-Nigerian ukuthi awine.
Yeah.
Angasijwayeli kabi ama-Nigerian.
Cause I won't treat you right. It's alright, be my girlfriend. It's alright, what a good girl. It's alright when you're with me. Cause I will treat you right. Lucky, 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 like I'm gonna see you smile. Lucky, 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 it's like I'm gonna see you walk. Lucky, 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 like I'm gonna see you smile. Lucky, 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 it's like I'm gonna see you walk.
Ayobabeke airport mabasela basha ibhame babuyele eJozi. Oba abafana ababuyele. Hayi laba yikho indaba yabo. No bros wabo bababo la. Ayikho indaba yabo. Hayi ngeke badlala ngathi hayi. Ayikho point. Shena ukwazi ukuthi mfethu ngithola i-red card. Wena
I'll sacrifice defender.
Udlala ngama defender mfethu awu4.
La ubona khona ukuthi uRolando ubathi umdinge endaweni
olalele la mfethu uRolando wayedlala nga1 defender ama midfielder zonke.
Yebo.
Kwandoda unama defender awu4 eground. I-team odlala nayo ithola red card udinga igoal. Unama defender awu4 una 2 defensive midfielder. Awukhiphi lutho. Uzokhipha ngoba manje sekukhala ama-fans. Hayi suka. Hayi akahambe. Akahambe. Silonge sithi ngoba kumbe wawina kumbe ngo1964 ini hayi language shit. Hayi shit yehlisa umoya. Hayi nama ngeneme. Hayi ngeneme hayi. Phela sizobuka bona. Hayi ngeke hayi. Phela hayi angikho he. Bye. Ba manje basho abakushoyo mfethu. Hey.
I'm very much disappointed in
Lo muntu mfethu
we're supposed to win that game.
Okay, uFrost la. Uyakwazi yini ukudlala uFrost? Udlalile phela ngathi. Udlalile ngathi
umdlalo uthi out of form umkhiphe.
Out. Inkinga lento ukuthi Sheni.
Awu, manzeni.
Hey bafowethu.
Kamanje. Showcase.
Bambino wena. Yeah. Njengoba ngisasho wena Sheni uthi mfethu ilento ukuthi kulimala uReyners ubiza uMahop. Yini yona leyo? Uhloseni ukhona uRob. Ukhona angena uReyners noRob la yiba abaphezulu lapha ngamagoli. Ukuthi ke manje kanjani angi-understand. Angazi nami ukuthi akamboni. Kodwa mina ngicala ngoba manje abantu noma badliwe kodwa iyavunywa ingoma. Ngikwazi ungipha ama-chips ngoba sidliwe. Umuthi wani?
Ukhona umuthi okulapha imbungulu. Ngabe
Ngikhulume la shene
Aba leli butho seliyaqale ngibulala yedwa. Bese ngcola nje la. Budaba.
bathi khona umuthi wokulapha imbungulu.
Amaphela kanye namagundwane ngabe uhlala eChesterville koMakeville.
Shene Chesterville ngena manje Chesterfield.
Hawu bese kanjalo khona yini man?
Ngicela phakathi ekishini eMexico sithi kuseMexico.
Oh, are you a Mexican?
I'm Mexican,
wow.
bro. You know?
Nice to meet you, though.
Oh, what's up, bro?
No, I'm very much well, boy. How are you?
I'm good, bro.
Yeah. Are you at Mexico?
Yes, I just landed now in Cape Town there, then I flew to here.
You just landed in Cape Town there, and what's Utin?
Guys, got it.
Huh?
Present.
Ngiyakhumbula izolo ngaze ngafika. Phadwe ngaze ngaqoqola aphiwe. Utheni? Oh, uthe
boyo. Utheni?
Uyangirecord nginga.
Angirecord.
Uyangirecord.
Angirecord. Ungitiviti yelani? Shane isho man.
Man ngiyasephinde yadunga yala nto othi uthe kade funa
Shane. Ngifika ngikhala ngenkinga ye-information. Thiwa yo. Le nto ungabi nayo information.
ngihleke mina.
Sigijime Suncoast manje. Selile manje. Ayinvidorize.
Mina ngiyacela uconfirm ukuthi iyona yini le number.
Tell me what you see in my eye. I'm gonna catch you feeling so right. If you do catch mine, it's alright. It's alright, and we will never know. I'm gonna catch you feeling so right. And you do catch mine, that's right. It's alright, and we will never know. It's alright, be my girlfriend. It's alright, cause you're good girl. It's alright when you're with me, cause I won't treat you right. It's alright, be my girlfriend. It's alright when you're a good girl. It's alright when you're with me, cause I will treat you right. Lucky, like I'm gonna see you smile. Lucky. It's like I'm gonna see you walk.